name is Quintin. I'm the Community Country Manager for the Executive Centre here in Australia. Over to you, Dominic.
I had a phone call that would change my life forever. And it's not about the challenges, it's what we do about them that truly matters. Then over the next hour, I'll be able to share with you some gems, some tools, some practical philosophies that will help you navigate these times in an even more positive manner. It's not how far you fall, but it's how high you bounce that really matters. And it's so true for everyone of us. That motivation is a little bit like peeing in a wetsuit. It feels warm and fuzzy for a while. But unless we apply what we've learned, nothing will change in our lives. But you know what each of them have in common? Is this thing called resilience. I still have my moments of doubt and insecurity and fear and anxiety. But the difference today is to be aware of it and to have tools that you apply to switch moments of your decisions that your destiny is shaped. I alone decide that today is going to be extraordinary. Why did they do this to me? Why is this happening? After all my years of loyalty, it's your habitual ways of the way you think, feel, and act that really matters. I can't change that phone call that told me that I was losing 30% of my team. Leaders begin with the ideal end in mind. If you don't decide to make it extraordinary, no one else will. I put it up on my bedside table. Be outcome-oriented. Make it extraordinary. Ooh, afraid of failure. Right? Wanting comfort instead of growth and service. Say yes to that and find a way to make it happen. How would life be if you could turn it around, boom, like this? Turn fear into empowerment and choose to respond, not to react. Because the quality of your life is the quality of the emotions you consistently experience. There are fear emotions. That's the first category. Energy-taking emotions. Now, the other category of emotions is what's called love emotions. Energy givers. Level 10 outcome is going to be determined by level 10 actions, and level 10 action is going to be determined by level 10 emotions. In joy, in faith, in optimism, in hope, in love, in determination, in inspiration. Imagine if life was like that. Because when we're in self-preservation mode, we're not thinking about how our actions have an impact on our staff, on our customers, on our family, on others around us, because we're into ego me mode. If I do something that's right with a good intention, I'll find a way. My team and I are amazing. Now, the easiest way to not fail is not set goals. Speak the way you want to feel. Yes, yes, yes. Because when you focus on danger, you're not focused on opportunities. So what do you focus on expands? Keep that in mind. So it's not about being right or wrong. It's about choosing a perspective that makes you feel empowered. Right, here's the belief of the optimist. I believe that things happen for me, not at me. And these are the three magic words that you say to shift my focus by asking, hey, what's great about this? So team, it's not about what happens, it's your choice of movement. It's your choice of language. It's your choice of the way you think. And don't stop until you feel almost tears coming down your cheeks. Don't be dissatisfied. Remain unsatisfied. Remember that courage is not the absence of fear. It's doing what's right, not what's easy. Pause, breathe, feel the fear, shift that state. What's great about this? Gratitude. What do I really want? Inspiration. What will I do? Progress. Being resilient is not about not having that fall, but being able to bounce back, to accelerate acceptance as quickly as you can.
I've been a fan of your level of energy since first time I met you at that event, and I think that it is contagious. Thanks, Dom and Sue and Bernard. Thanks all for your time.
Executive Center for putting this together. Thank you everyone for your wonderful comments. It's super encouraging. It means the world to us. Please stay in touch and make it extraordinary. Okay, everybody.